maybe friends and family have, so in the earliest stages, what is your advice for kind of how to get that off the ground?
Yeah, I would say honestly, join accelerators first. We did Expert Dojo and Invisible Hands. That was really good for us to get, the kind of landscape of what it's like to be an entrepreneur in a real startup environment, not a bootstrap company, because once you take on investment and they have equity in the company, you got board meetings, you got investor relations to manage. So it's not just managing employees, you got investors to manage on a monthly basis. Like I literally just came from an investor meeting before this meeting today with the Tinto Capital. So, and they're serious about knowing how much money you're spending and how much money you were making on a monthly basis. But usually how those investor meetings go is like, highlights, lowlights, and then you talk about burn, net revenue, all that good stuff. But when it comes to raising, I think investors are looking at, especially early on, team. So like, what's your competitive advantage in the market? What do you know about this product or service that you're selling that other people don't? How are you connected to people that's going to actually get you to your first 10 customers, then to 100, then to 1,000? What are you going to actually use the funds for? Do you actually have a plan on how you're going to use my $1 million? Because people are not giving you $1 million to give you $1 million. They're looking for a return on their investment. I promise you that. Now, their return on investment could be 5-10 years from now. They know what type of game they're playing, but they are looking for it. They're gonna do their due diligence before they give it to you. So have like data room prepared, all that good stuff. Just makes it easier when investors are coming to look to invest in your company. But I would say early on, I think accelerators helped us out a lot. Because you already been through like a boot camp or a program to kind of teach you about startups and what it takes to actually run a successful startup, and then pre-seed stage, seed stage companies can get access to capital that way.
I love
from
it.
VC firms.